Hello traders, gusto mo bang mag-invest sa mga bangko, Ayala, SM, dito Telco gamit ang COL Financial? At hindi mo pa alam kung paano gumawa ng account gamit ang COL Financial? Huwag kang mag-alala guys dahil sa video na ito ituturo ko sa inyo ang step-by-step process kung paano gumawa ng account sa my COL Financial. Kaya siguraduhin mo lang na tumutok sa video na ito hanggang dulo para malaman mo yung step-by-step process kung paano gumawa ng account. So para makapag-create tayo ng account sa COL Financial guys, punta lang tayo sa ating desktop or pwede rin kayo gumamit ng cellphone. Pero mas okay gumamit na lang kayo ng desktop kasi mas makikita natin lahat ng mga i-fill out natin para hindi niyo ma-miss kung sakaling cellphone yung gagamitin niyo kasi medyo mahirap. So punta lang tayo sa ating desktop guys at i-type nyo lang dito ang www.colfinancial.com. Ayan, kapag na-enter nyo na guys, makikita nyo dito yung COL Financial na website. Ito na yung pinaka-homepage nila. Makikita natin dito yung user ID, password. At kapag meron ka ng account, ilalagay na natin dito ang ating user ID na provided ng COL Financial at yung password. Kapag okay na, i-click na natin yung login. So sa ibaba guys, makikita natin yung invest in stocks, invest in mutual funds, at open a COL Financial online. So wala pa tayong account at first time pa lang natin dito sa MyCOL. So i-click na natin yung open a COL account online. So ayan, makikita na natin to guys yung open an account. So account opening process, kailangan natin i-ready ang ating requirements at mag-sign up at kailangan natin mag-fund sa ating account. So ito na guys, para sa step 1, ready your requirements. Kailangan ng one valid government issued ID. So mas okay na meron kayong passport or UMID. Next, device with camera for selfie and video capture. Blank sheet of paper for signature capture. So, kailangan natin ng bond paper at magsusulat tayo doon ng ating pirma at ika-capture natin. Isisend natin dito guys sa my COL. Next, for employed or self-employed, kailangan ng SSS, GSIS, or CRN and PIN. For minors naman, kailangan ng birth certificate. So, additional requirements, kung applicable, kailangan ng for non-residential foreign. Para naman sa non-resident foreigner, kailangan ng one valid passport copy at for resident foreigners naman, kailangan din ng one valid passport and alien certificate of registration or ACR. Next, para sa step 2, sign up and submit. So, kailangan natin mag-submit ng ating mga requirements online. Meron ding express account activation after funding. So, i-click natin yung sign up dyan maya-maya guys pagkatapos natin sa my step 3. So, sa step 3 guys, ito yung fund your account. So, minimum initial funding for personal account guys is 1,000 pesos. So, merong apat guys na paraan para makapag-fund tayo ng ating COL account. So, dito, pwede tayo gumamit ng online bills payment. Ito yung mga bangko na listahan na pwede sa COL. Next naman sa option 2, over-the-counter bills payment. Pwede tayo magbayad gamit yung BPI, BDO, Petrobank, Asia United Bank, Provincial Bank, at Union Bank. So, i-click nyo lang ito guys para ma-view nyo yung bank transaction fees kung magkano. So, sa option 3, pwede kayo pumunta sa MyCOL Business Center. Ito yung address nila. At punta lang kayo dun guys para makapag-fund ng account. So, gamitin na natin yung online syempre para hindi na tayo mamasahe. Ganon din naman kung merong bawas sa transaction fee, edi mag-online na lang tayo para less hassle. Next, sa option 4 naman, overseas remittance. Kapag ikaw ay nasa ibang bansa, pwede ka magbayad ng BDO, kabayan bills bayad, or I-remit remittance, video overseas remittance. So, ayan, mag-open na tayo ng account guys. I-click na natin yung sign up and submit sa step 2. Click natin yan. At ito yung sabi guys, COL Financial for a richer life. COL account opening. Thank you for your interest. We have reached the maximum number of application for today. So, maraming nag-register dito guys or gumagawa ng account sa MyCOL Financial. So, na-reach na daw nila yung maximum number of applications today. So, i-click lang natin yan guys para makapag-wait tayo guys. Kumbaga, makakapag-reserve tayo ng slot para sa application natin. So, kailangan lang natin mag-sign up sa waitlist. Provide lang natin ang ating mga information. Click yung I agree, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, active email, mobile number, at basahin mo lang to. During the online application process, will send a one-time password or OTP to your registered mobile number. So please make sure to enter the correct mobile number with country code. So kapag maglagay tayo dito ng mobile number natin, make sure guys na active ito. Next, kapag na-click nyo na yung submit guys, wait na lang tayo ng email ni COL Financial. So sa akin nag-email na guys dahil nakaraan nakapag-submit na ako dito at ito yung sabi. Sa email, hi John Ryan, thank you for your interest in opening an account with COL Financial. Before proceeding, please be reminded of the following. So basahin nyo lang guys yung legal requirement to obtain and verify information. So may kita rin natin dito yung to continue your registration process, simply click the button below. So verify lang natin yung email natin at magsisend ng OTP sa ating mobile number. At ayan, mobile verification. Yun sa identification, okay na. At next, dito na tayo sa my verification. So verify your mobile number. Nag-send daw si COL Financial sa ating mobile number para sa registration. So ito, nag-text na siya at ito yung OTP. So ayan, click lang natin guys yung verify. Next, proceed na tayo sa fill out form since okay na yung verification natin. So sa online securities trading agreement, basahin nyo lang yan guys. Kailangan basahin nyo po ng mabuti at kapag okay na, click na natin yung agree. And guys, yung successfully verified na yung ano natin, registration. So meron tayong, so may kita natin dito yung full name, email address, mobile number. At kapag tama lahat yan guys, click na natin yung next. Ayan, fill out na tayo ng form. So ito yung kailangan natin i-fill out. So select account type. For individual, select natin yan. Kailangan ng one account holder only. Next, para sa joint naman, an account shared by two individuals. Select lang natin yan. At kung ikaw ay ITF, an investment account opened by the parent intended for his or her child below 18 years old. So, kung meron kang anak or kung ikaw ay anak at kailangan ng ITF. So, ito yun para yung parents mo po mag-fill out sa inyo. So, kapag ikaw naman ay parents, ito po yung gagamitin para sa inyong anak. So, kapag ikaw naman ay merong joint account or kung kayo ay mag-partner, dito yung gagamitin nyo, joint. Kung ikaw naman mag-isa, dito na tayo sa individual. So, select lang natin guys yung individual. At i-click na natin yung next. Next guys, andito na tayo sa may personal information. So, nakalagay dito ang ating first name, middle name, last name, at suffix. So, sa civil status, lagay lang din natin kung ikaw ay single, married, separated, or divorced. Sa gender, male or female, at sa birth date, lagay mo lang po ang iyong birth date. Unang year, month, at day. So, sa country information, lagay mo lang dito yung country of birth, country of citizenship, country of residence. Kapag okay na, i-click na natin yung next. Bali, ito yung next page guys para naman sa contact information. So, nakalagay dito ang ating email address, phone, at mobile number. So, sa present address, lagay lang natin ang ating house, building number, street name, at barangay. Next, sa country, automatic Philippines, at sa city, municipality, lagay mo lang din. Next, permanent address, i-click mo lang yung same as present address. Kapag pareho yung present address natin sa may permanent address, i-click lang natin to guys. Kung hindi naman pareho guys, kung ikaw ay may permanent address at iba sa present address mo ngayon, i-fill out mo lang guys yung permanent address mo. Ilagay mo lang dito ang house, building number, street name, at barangay, country, city, municipality, at kapag okay na, i-review mo lang at i-click natin yung next. Next, dito na tayo guys sa may fill out form ng professional information. Next, andito na tayo sa may fill out form para sa professional information. So, i-fill out lang natin dito ang ating employment details kung ikaw ay employed, self-employed, unemployed, retired student, homemaker, or kasambahay, or OFW. So, piliin mo lang dyan guys kung ano yung status ng iyong employment details. So, for example, kapag i-click natin yung employed, ito yung lalabas, position or job title, lagay lang natin ang ating ID type, kung ikaw ay merong SSS, GSIS, or CRN UMID. So, ilagay mo lang dito yung number. Next, sa ibaba, business company, kung ano yung company mo, or kung ano yung pinagtatrabahuan mo. Next, kapag ikaw naman ay self-employed, ang nakalagay ulit ay position, job title, TIN, at ID type. At ilagay mo lang ulit yung CRN or UMID mo, kung anong klaseng ID ang ilalagay mo. Next, ganun din, kung business, kung meron kang business or company, lagay mo dito at nature of business, kung anong klaseng business. or kung ano yung pinagtatrabahuan mo, at lagay mo lang dito yung address, country, municipality, at contact number. Ganun din sa iba guys, para sa unemployed, ganito yung itsura, walang i-fill out, bale yan lang yung lumabas. At sa may retired, ganun din. Sa student naman, ganun din. At sa homemaker, ganun din. At kasambahay, ganito yung lumabas. Kailangan ng job position or title. Ilagay mo lang ulit yung TIN, CRN, or kung anong klaseng ID ang meron ka. At ganun din, pangalan ng company or business. Next, kapag ikaw naman ay OFW, ganun din. Lagay mo lang yung job title or position at business company details. Kapag okay na, click na natin yung next. Next guys, proceed na tayo sa may fill out form para sa additional information. So, kailangan mo lang sagutan yan, yung mga tanong. So, are you corporate officer or director of a PSE listed company? So, sagutan mo lang yan guys. Next naman, para sa may FATCA or FATCA disclosure, sagutan mo lang din yan kung ikaw ay US person or hindi. So, kapag okay na at nasagutan mo na, click na natin yung next. Next guys, proceed na tayo sa my financial investment profile. So, kailangan natin isagutan yung asset, net worth, at annual income. So, sa asset, mamili lang kayo dyan from less than 500,000 up to over 10 million pesos. So, sa net worth, less than 500,000 at over 10 million pesos. Next, sa annual naman, less than 200k over 1 million pesos. So, mamili lang kayo dito guys para sa financial profile. Next, sagutan mo rin guys yung source of funds. So, choose at least one source of funds based on your employment status. So, kung saan nanggagaling yung funds mo, mula ba sa salary, business, sa investment, sa family, inheritance, or regular remittance allowance. Kapag okay na at nakapili ka na guys, click mo na ulit yung next. Next, andito na tayo guys sa may fill out form para naman sa Client Suitability Assessment or CSA. So, sagutan mo lang ulit yan guys. Your answers here will help us assess your risk profile so we can offer you a list of more suitable funds. So, what is your investment objective? Sagutan mo lang yan. What is your investment experience or knowledge? How long can you keep your funds invested? At how much of your savings are you willing to invest? So, ayan guys, sagutan mo lang yung 1 to 4 at yung sa may CSA result may kita natin dyan after natin magsagot. So, kapag okay na guys, click na natin yung next. Andito na tayo sa fill out form para naman sa withdrawal information. So, kailangan natin mag-select whether withdrawals will be credited to your Philippine bank account or through a check pickup at COL Pasig. If your bank is not in COL's list of partner banks, withdrawals can only be made by check or pick up. So yun guys, sa may withdrawal information, pwede ka mamili dito kung credit to bank account or check pick up COL Pasig. So kapag wala kang bank account or hindi accredited ng COL yung bank mo, pwede ka mamili kung check pick up na lang sa may Pasig. Nandun yung ano nila, yung office. So mas okay dito na tayo guys sa credit to bank account kasi anytime pwede tayo makakapag-withdraw gamit yung bank account. So, para sa bank account details, kailangan mo lang i-fill out ang iyong bank name, bank branch, at bank account number. Kapag okay na, click na natin yung next. Next guys, after natin mag-fill out ng ating bank information, dito na tayo sa may fill out form para naman sa identification requirements. So, please take a clear copy of the photo requirements with a maximum size of 4 MB each and make sure to follow the sample shown to avoid delay in the approval of your application. So, sa step 1, kailangan natin ng ID and 3 signatures. So, kailangan natin i-place ang ating ID on a blank piece of paper and sign 3 times below. Signature must match the ID. So, sundan mo lang to guys. Maglagay ka lang sa iyong bond paper, lagay mo dito ang iyong ID, at magpirma ka ng 3 beses. Kailangan yung pirma mo pareho sa may ID. So, i-click na natin yung take a photo or pwede tayo mag-upload ng file. Sa step 2, signature of back portion of ID. So, if your ID has its signature at the back, example, passport, PRC, please take or upload a clear picture of the back portion, signature page of your ID. So, ayan yung may mga ID ninyo na may pirma sa likod, kailangan nyo po mag-upload dito. So, pwede kayo mag-take ng photo or upload ng file. Next, selfie with ID. So, take a clear picture of yourself, selfie while holding your ID. Kailangan mo i-remove ang iyong glasses or face mask. Ito yung example, sundan mo lang to. Kailangan klaro at mababasa dapat ang mga information ninyo na nakikita sa ID. So, pwede kayo mag-take ng picture na dito or pwede na kayo mag-upload file. Step 4 naman, kailangan natin mag-video capture. kailangan natin i-record ang ating video or video of yourself by focusing the camera on your face. So, turn your head sides to side within 5 seconds. Remove your glasses or face mask. So, i-turn on lang natin dito yung camera. Kapag gumagamit kayo ng PC, make sure mayroon pong webcam. So, kapag cellphone naman, wala na pong problema kasi meron namang built-in camera. So, kapag okay na guys, click na natin yung next. So, ito na yung sunod na page, fill out form para sa submit application. Are you ready to submit your application form? To review your details before submitting, click back. So, make sure guys, bago kayo mag-next, dapat tama yung lahat ng mga information na nilagay ninyo sa my COL. So, to proceed the final part of your account opening, click submit application. So, kapag sa tingin nyo okay na guys at walang mali, click na natin yung submit application. So, ito na, account opening interview. Before we end, we'd like to ask you some interview question in compliance with regulation to get to know you and to help serve you better. So, ayun, pagka-click natin ng next guys, ganito yung lumabas question. Do you have an existing COL account? No. Click natin yung next. Para sa investing plan, what do you plan to invest in using COL account? So, para sa stocks, equity index funds, other kinds of mutual funds, or a combination of stocks and mutual funds at I don't know yet. So, sa akin guys, gagamitin ko ay para sa mga stocks. Next, ito na guys, account opening interview para sa pag-submit na. You have completed the account opening interview. Please click submit interview to complete your application. So, click na natin yung submit interview. Ito yung lumabas guys. Application submitted na. Thank you for submitting your application. So, your application will now be reviewed for completeness. So, we'll notify you of its status and for the next steps through your verified email address. So, wait na lang natin guys yung email ng COL Financial kung okay na yung account natin. Kasi i-review pa yun yung mga documents natin at kapag kompleto na, wala nang problema guys. So, makakapag-start na tayo sa pag-invest at pwede rin tayo makakapag-trade. So, after natin mag-submit ng application guys sa my COL, bali nag-email sila kaagad at ito yung sabi, we've received your COL account application and it's now being reviewed. We'll notify you of its status through your verified email. So, mag-email ulit sa atin kapag okay na yung account natin. If there's any lacking requirement, we'll send you a link to complete your profile. So, kapag may mga problema pa sa ating mga information, magsisend pa ulit ng link si COL para i-complete po natin yon. So, ito naman, kapag kompleto at approved na, magsisend ng 8-digit COL reference number with funding instruction. The last step is to fund your COL account to receive your username and password. So, update ko na lang kayo guys kapag mag-email na at kapag approve na yung account natin sa my COL. After 24 hours guys, nag-email na si COL Financial sa atin at ito yung sabi, welcome to COL Financial. We are happy to help you get started in your financial journey. So, sabi rin dito, your COL username account number is nakalagay na dito, nag-email na sila guys. So, ibig sabihin, yung application natin guys ay successful at walang mali. So, sabi rin dito to activate your account and begin investing, fund it online or by over-the-counter bills, payments to our partner banks with at least 1,000 pesos using the following details. So, ito yung merchant company, COL Financial Group, at yung reference number or subscriber number, at ito yun, your 8-digit COL account number. So, kung ano yung account number guys, ganun na rin yung reference number or subscriber's number. Next, click here to view your step-by-step guide on how to fund your account. So, meron namang process guys at tutorial kung paano mag-fund ng account. So, after natin mag-fund ng account guys, mag-i-email ulit si COL Financial para naman sa ating password. So, you can start using your COL account. If you have any question, we'll be happy to assist you. Just email us. At mag-i-email lang tayo kung merong tanong at pwede tayo tumawag sa may 632-86515-888. So, thank you for choosing COL Financial. So, sa next video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano naman mag-fund ng ating account step-by-step process. So, hanggang dito na lamang ating vlog. Kung nakatulong sa yung video na ito, mag-subscribe ka na po at i-click ang notification bell para lagi updated sa mga bawat upload na video. Kung may mga tanong ka naman about COL, mag-comment ka lang po sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat po.